right there. Hey, how you doing? I'm Gibby. Mike is filming, and we are here at Tyler State Park. We're over here at the Northwoods Pavilion, which is right here on the map. This trail here is the D-Loop Trail, and we're going to start here. We're going to hike up a little bit. We probably won't do the whole thing. I'll just hike in there a little bit and then hike back around and then go see another trail, whatnot. But if you wanted to, you could hike this whole thing, the D, the C, the B, and the A loop trail and all that. That's about 12 miles worth of trail right there that you could hike in one loop. You could loop it and do it all in one loop if you wanted to. But we're here to see a little bit of everything today, so let's hike on.